Countless calories and endless fun, it means the days of festivals are almost upon us. With festivals around the corner, we all start planning so meticulously and also start thinking of recipes which are fancy. Well, on that note, I thought I'll show you something very interesting. A quinoa salad with chicken, Mexican style, keeping the calories in check. Now, of course, that'll keep your health in check. Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay Chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. Let's begin. Let's begin our healthy quinoa and chicken salad by making the quinoa. And I'm making it very simple for you. Well, in the market, you get 3-4 different varieties of quinoa. Of course, you get the white one, which is classic and quintessentially available almost across all stores. Then you also get the brown one, the red one, and the black one. You can choose, of course, the one that you or your family like. This needs to be washed thoroughly once under running water. We need to rinse this well, drain the water, and then we begin with the cooking process. The quinoa is drained and ready to use. Now I had taken 1 cup of quinoa. To this I'm adding in 2 cups of water. This is water at room temperature. The general proportion of cooking quinoa is 1:2. And to this I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of salt. We stir this well and place this in the Panasonic microwave. But before that, do not forget to cover this. You need to place this in the microwave and keep the cover slightly open. You shut the door and press micro power. Take the time up to 10 minutes and press start. While the quinoa is getting cooked, I have an exciting news. Remember in the last video, I spoke about a very special announcement. You have to wait till the end of this video, and that's where I reveal the announcement. So keep watching. Our quinoa is perfectly cooked. Let's remove the lid. And the next step is to take a fork and a spoon and fluff this up, and this is my most favorite step. I've not used a single drop of oil because I've cooked this in the Panasonic microwave oven, and this comes with a preset that requires 0 oil. And let's move on to the next step, and that is making the salsa. The salsa that I'm going to make for you is going to be very different, yet very desi, yet very Mexican. What I'm doing is I'm making a salsa using tomatoes, onions, corianders, lemon, touch of salt. But what I'm adding to that are fava beans. Well, these are possibly one of my most favorite beans in the world, and I'm going to use this in the form of a nice chilled salad. So let's begin with making the salsa. The first thing that I'm going to take in a bowl are tomatoes. These are chopped tomatoes with their skin and the seed. To this, I'm going to add in chopped red onions, chopped coriander leaves. Like I said, it's all Mexican, yet all desi, because it's literally like a kachumbar. And that's what the Mexican salsa is all about. To this, I'm adding in lemon juice. Remember to pick any seeds if you drop. A little more chakpata because of course it's a nice chilled salad. And to this, I'm going to add in fava beans. Now, fava beans, of course, need to be washed. They need to be pre-cooked. Now, for pre-cooking, you can either pressure cook this or you can steam cook this. To this, I'm also going to add in salt as required and toss this well. Our Mexican bean salad is done and ready. Let's cover this and chill this for at least 30 minutes. It has to be nice and cold because imagine warm quinoa, freshly grilled chicken, and a cold salad. That's all that you need. This goes in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and let's come back and make grilled chicken. Like I said earlier, let's begin with grilled chicken. For that, of course, we'll need the rack for grilling and a boneless chicken breast. What I'm going to do is create a few gashes so that the dry rub kind of seeps straight in. Crisscross, as simple as that. Well, this also kind of makes it visually appealing once it's grilled and ready. Do not go in too deep. Let's just open all of this up for the marination to seep straight in. Let's begin with adding sweet paprika. Now, because this is sweet paprika, you can go a little overboard with this. In case you're using red chili powder, of course, you need to use this in moderation. Again, depending on how spicy you're looking at. To this, I'm also going to add in salt and finally some black peppercorns, which are freshly crushed. Let's rub this on both the sides of the chicken. Just rub this nicely all into the gashes of the chicken. And that's where you have a dry rubbed chicken breast, which now goes on the rack. And the next step, straight in the Panasonic microwave oven. Let's place this in the oven. Select Grill G1. And on the timer, let's select 10 minutes and start. The chicken looks absolutely juicy and tender within and crisp and golden brown on top. And this is actually thanks to the double grill technology that Panasonic microwave brings on board. It provides heat from top and from the back, and that ensures that the chicken remains nice, juicy and tender from within and crisp on top. Well, this also happens to be one of my favorite modes of cooking, and it's perfect for indoor cooking. Now that the grilled chicken is here, let's bring the quinoa back and the chilled salad back and begin with our plating of the Mexican bowl. Let's do that. Let's begin with the first thing on the platter, and that is quinoa. The next is some corn, which is steamed and ready. Some chopped avocado with just a touch of salt and black pepper. You can also make a wonderful guacamole. All you need to do is mix the salsa in the avocado, mash it roughly, and that's where you have the most amazing guacamole at home. Let's add all of this. The next is to take some lettuce, and the lettuce of course can be of your choice. I like this whole curly and frizzly one, so I'm using this, but nevertheless, like I said, choice is completely yours. Just ensure that you pick them well, you rinse them well, keep them in chilled water for a little while, and that's where you have the most amazing lettuce ready for your salads. And last but not the least, with this, let's also add in our fava beans and salsa. Let's pile this up because that's where all the goodness of lemon juice and tomatoes and onions and coriander is. Last but not the least, grilled chicken. Well, of course, the grilled chicken can be placed just like that, but I like slicing that. Well, because these already have gashes, we just need to cut it straight on the grain like this. But otherwise, I would have sliced it at an angle. Let's place all of this right here and just let it lie down comfortably on the bowl. Now that our chicken and quinoa bowl is done and ready, let's serve this. But nothing is truly finished without cleaning. So let me show you how easy it is to clean the Panasonic microwave oven using the Vapor Clean feature. Let's begin. For this, I'm going to take lemon, water and a bowl. For this, it's as simple as taking a bowl full of water, and to this, half a lemon is just more than enough. It's as simple as pressing Vapor Clean and start. Now here is the time for the big announcement, for the big reveal, and I know you all have been waiting for that. All you have to do is answer one simple question and you have chances of winning a Panasonic microwave oven. All you have to do is answer this question. You have to tell me which is my favorite feature of this Panasonic microwave oven. And the answer to this lies in the grilled fish video and in this video, which is the chicken quinoa Mexican bowl. So get cracking, guys. To participate in this contest, all you have to do is write your answers in the comment section below with the hashtag Panasonic microwave. More details in the description box below. If kitchen is the playground, then Panasonic microwave oven is surely the game. With this, your Mexican chicken quinoa bowl is done and ready. Do give this a try because this is the rendition of health and taste. Well, stay safe, stay happy, and more importantly, have fun in the kitchen. On that note, stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to explore yet another recipe using Panasonic microwave oven. Bye for now.